Go on with that morning, evening, noon, night, and she wants something to big up on herself. The time of day is something that video something this. So better late than never. I just want to keep up with the consistency. Open and appreciate it by thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, and do those extra stuff. You know you have to do where YouTube is concerned. But Usain Bolt took to his Instagram and he wrote, "I just want to say a king or queen is about to be here." And he also tagged his girlfriend of long time, Cassie BENNETT. So I just want to say congratulations to both Usain Bolt and Cassie as they're expecting their first golden child.
Somebody to hold, it's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard